Hello student, here we discuss about biochemistry. IIT and NEET for competitive exam it is also involved, and some compounds they can give and they can ask which type of linkage is there, and we will discuss about beta 1,4 linkage in lactose, and we should know that beta 1,4 linkage is found in cellulose, chitin as well as lactose. Lactose is disaccharide, cellulose and chitin is they are polysaccharides. Okay, which number of carbon is involved in glycosidic linkage in lactose? That I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here they have given this one compound, and they are asking which type of glycosidic linkage is occurring here. So since here H is down, so means OH was up, and this OH up and this OH down, so water will be lost and this disaccharide is obtained. And since this is at C1 carbon, that is anomeric carbon, OH is above the plane of the ring, that is why it is beta. This is beta glucose, so that is why this will be beta C1C4 linkage. This is another molecule of beta glucose, so there will be beta 1,4 linkage. Now they are asking identify glycosidic linkage in lactose, at which number of carbon atom linkage occurring. Okay, what is beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage? So chemical linkage that connects two sugar molecule, okay, with bond formation between them. So C1 carbon of one sugar and C4 carbon of the another sugar, they will link through OH. Draw this structure. This is galactose and this is beta glucose. This is beta D galactose, this is beta D glucose. Both of them are here, OH above the ring, and when this OH from H from here and OH from here will be joined and form water, so we will get this glycosidic linkage. C1 and C4 linkage is there. This is C1 and this is C4 carbon. Okay, so here anomeric carbon C1 of galactose, C1 carbon of galactose and C4 carbon of glucose, they will link to each other through ethyl-like linkage, that is called beta glycosidic linkage. So beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage created through a dehydration synthesis reaction which involves removal of water, hydrogen of OH group of anomeric carbon of galactose. Here I will write on galactose, beta galactose, react with OH group of C4 carbon of beta glucose monosaccharides, so water loss, and will get beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage created by loss of water. C1 C4 linkage, carbon of two monosaccharides linked through